I'm Darren, and in this video we're going to look at how you can use Google Meet to pre-record a video for online learning. So let's jump into Meet and get started. So we're here on our Google homepage and we're going to jump into Google Meet, and the way I'm going to do that is to go via my waffle, the app picker, and just to collect it from here. Now if you can't see Meet, it may well be a little bit further down because these are completely customizable, so you can move them around however you want. Okay, so we're going to click into Meet just to start a recording. Now to record a Meet, you don't need anyone else to be in there, although of course you could if you wanted to team teach. However, for today it's just me, so I'm just going to give this one a name of recording and continue. And that takes me into the welcome page. And the first thing I'm going to do is check my camera. And what I can see immediately is I've got my second camera on, my Snapchat camera. So I'm just going to go to settings when it lets me. There we go. We go to settings and I'm going to change my camera from Snap camera, which allows me to put on different backgrounds and things, to my FaceTime camera on my MacBook. Okay. I can also in here check my settings to make sure my sound and my microphone are working. So I can see the green bars bouncing up and down, and I can play the test to make sure that that's working. So I'm ready to go. So now I'm going to join my Meet. I don't need to invite anyone else, but like we said, if we're team teaching, we could jointly deliver. And then all I'm going to do to start my recording is to click so that my white bar appears at the bottom here. I'm going to come down to the three dots in the bottom right hand corner and click record meeting. And that's going to start their recording going. So I can speak to my students like I'm doing now, and that appears on the recording. And I can also come to present, and I can choose to share my entire screen, a window or a tab. So if I choose entire screen, I get to choose which screen I want to use. Okay, so I might choose screen 1. If I choose window, it chooses which window I want opened. Okay, in this case I've only got the one. And I could choose Chrome tab, which is the best option if we want to play video or audio. And you can see I've got 3 tabs open and it's giving me the choice of choosing which one. Okay, so most of the time I would use, for pre-recording, choose entire screen. So I would just click share, and then on screen students would see whatever I'm clicking on. Okay, so this would now be available in the video. At any point, if I want to stop the video, all I need to do is come back down to the 3 dots and just click stop recording. And as soon as I stop recording, you can see there that it's going to be saved to my Google Drive, and that's going to be sent to a folder which Meet automatically creates if you haven't already got it, called Meet Recordings. It's going to be sent in there. I can then make that folder's permissions accessible for anyone to view, so I can share those videos with other people. And I also will get them via email. So I'll get all of that and I won't have to go looking for anything. It all gets sent to me straight away. Then I can take that video immediately and post it into Google Classroom, for example, or I could do a number of things, including editing if I wanted to. Okay, so I could take it into an app such as WeVideo to do some smart editing. Okay, and that's it. Really, really simple. What then happens is we'll look in our drive, we'll go to our drive, and you can see here I've got a folder. I've got 2 because one's from elsewhere, a folder called Meet Recordings, and that's where that video is going to arrive. It takes a few minutes to process, but as you can see, I've got lots in there. And if you're recording a live Meet and there is chat going on, that also comes through as a text document at the end as well. So it all ends up in one place. Really, really tidy and simple.